Is this Miss Mutia?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm Aurelia from Grand Pariwisata Hotel. I would like to know, are you ready to have on-job training at front office department in our hotel?
Yes, I'm ready.
I already informed to front office manager about your proposal, and the front office manager needs you to come and to be interviewed tomorrow on 28th September. Are you ready for it?
Yes, I ready, ma'am.
Alright, we will waiting for you, and don't forget about your grooming with white and black. Alright, thank you.
Alright, you're welcome.
Bu Mutia, silakan masuk.
Selamat siang, Bapak.
Selamat siang. Silakan duduk, Ibu. Gimana kabarnya, Ibu?
Alhamdulillah baik.
Bagaimana ke perjalanan tadi?
Agak sedikit macet sih, tapi nggak apa-apa.
Oke, kita langsung mulai aja interview kita hari ini.
Okay.
Yang pertama-tama, can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English, but just a little bit.
Where do you study English?
I study English in my school, Tourism Vocational School of South Cikarang.
Alright, I will continue this interview using English.
Alright.
It's okay?
Okay.
Okay. May I know what make you interested to study that?
Because I want to improve my English and learn Japanese language.
What subject do you take in your school?
Tourism and hotel hospitality.
Alright, can you explain yourself and your family in English, please?
Alright, my full name is Mutia Nur Aini. You can call me Mutia. I was born 26th of June 2008 in Jakarta. I live in Mutiara Bekasi Jaya Housing, and right now I'm 17 years old. I am the middle in my family. I have one big brother and one little sister. My father was retired and my mother is trader, helped by my father. My hobby is knitting and I want to be flight attendant.
Okay, may I know what is your daily activity?
Alright, usually after wake up, I pray for a moment. After that, I go to bathroom for take shower and take ablution for do my subuh prayer. And then I help my mother for prepare our breakfast, and then I have a breakfast with my family. And after that, usually I go to school at 6:30. Usually I use my motorcycle by myself, and I arrive in my school around 7 o'clock sharp. And in my school, we have two breaking time. The first breaking time is at 9:30, and the second breaking time is at 12 o'clock sharp. Usually, after that, we go to masjid for do our zuhur prayer, and then we have lunch together in our school. Usually, we back home at 3 o'clock, and especially if there is additional lesson like English and Japanese, and major lesson like front office, we back home late. Usually, I arrive in usually I arrive in my house at 4 o'clock.
Okay, according to you, is there any difference yet between your school with the other school?
Alright, the difference yet between our school with other school is our school have collaborated with 3 until 5 stars hotel in Bekasi area. And in third grade, we have obligation to make report like skripsi. And that is must be responsible in a session in front of assessor. It's mean our teacher. The accountability it should be use English, while other school don't do like us. And the difference is other school only have collaborate with company, but our school we have collaborate with LSP, and the certificate is made by BNSP, and the certificate is equivalent to an employee, and the certificate is same like the certificate that we get from academic.
Alright, for the next question, I will ask you about the front office knowledge, okay?
Alright.
Do you know the definition of the hotel?
Alright, according to Memperkostel, hotel is a type of accommodation that uses part or all of its own. The hotel will provide services such as service for lodging, provision food and beverage, and other service attended by general public. But I think hotel is a building that managed by commercial, provide service such as service for lodging, provision food and beverage, and room rental to get economic benefit.
Okay, do you know each department in hotel, and can you mention it to me, please?
Alright, I know there are around 10 departments, like front office department, housekeeping department, food and beverage department, HRD, accounting, security, engineering, administration in general, and then sales and marketing, and the last is laundry.
Okay, can you tell me how to handling the incoming call from outside? Please mention it to me.
Alright, the first is greeting. After that, tell our company name, tell our name, and then ask the purpose from the caller, ask their name and their phone number. And if the call is not answered by intended person, we will copy the message in message list.
Okay, what is the purpose in repeating booking reservation when you handling the guest check-in?
Alright, the purpose from repeating booking reservation is to make sure that there is no mistake and to anticipate guest complaint.
Okay, what do you know about the front office department?
Front office department is each department in hotel that responsible for handling guest check-in, check-out, reservation, and information center.
Okay, can you mention the front office structure organization?
Alright, the first is front office manager, and then supervisor or supervisor or assistant front office manager. After that, cashier, and then concierge and reception, and the last is staff and trainee.
Okay, what will you do if you work in morning shift as a receptionist?
Alright, the first I will prepare myself in the locker, like grooming, do hairstyle, and do makeup. After that, I go absent by using ammonia machine or fingerprint or manual paper. And then I will stand by 15 minutes before working time in FO counter. And I will overhandle with night shift by check logbook. And then I will clean and tidy the area. After that, I will print out expected arrival list today. And I will distribute it to department concern, and after that I will fill in pre-registration and put into envelope and arrange it by alphabetically on the tray.
Okay, please mention what would you like to do in the morning preparation?
Alright, the first is read and check logbook. After that, I will check the accuracy of room rec, and then I will calculate the number of room that already for sale, and then I will check the room status, and then I will check I will make room status report. After that, I will check the guest history card, and the last I will check list like guest house list and guest expected arrival list.
Okay, how do you check the equipments and documents that must be prepared in FO area and by what?
I will use checklist for check the equipment and the form in front office counter.
What is the checklist?
Checklist is a list of equipment or document that must be prepared in front office area.
Okay, please tell me the function of a list and what the data in a list itself.
Expected arrival list is a list of guests who expected to come today, and the data in expected arrival list are guest name, guest company name, check-in and check-out date, length of stay, room type, room number, room rate, payment method, and the last is special request.
Okay, to make handling check-in guests easily, how do you prepare the forms like RC, meal coupon, and other?
Alright, I will print out registration card, and then I will prepare meal coupon, guest card, and room key. I will put into envelope and arrange it by alphabetically on the tray. After that, I will prepare welcome drink.
Okay, if there is no more stock like the forms like RC, meal coupon, and what would you like to do?
Alright, I will open the requisition form. After that, write the item that we need, and then I will ask the approval to front office manager, and I will take the item that we need in general store.
Okay, can you mention the steps or procedure how to handling the guest check-in by reservation and by walk-in also?
Alright, the first how to handling guest check-in by reservation. The first is greeting. After that, offering help, and then ask if they have made reservation. After that, I will check the expected arrival list and then reconfirm expected arrival list. After that, I will borrow the ID card or passport, and then I ask the guest to sign and to complete registration card. After that, I will ask about the payment, and then if they pay by cash, I will ask the deposit, and if they pay by credit card, I will ask to borrow their credit card. After that, explain cash receipt, meal coupon, guest card, and room key, and then I will ask if they bring any luggage, and I will ask if they need a bellboy to bring their luggage, and then I ask is there anything else. After that, the last is use magic word. And after that, how to handling guest check-in by walk-in. It's same with check-in by reservation, but the difference is if by walk-in, I will ask the type of room that guest want. After that, I will check the availability of room in our system. After that, I will explain the facilities of room, explain the room rate, and the last I will use upselling technique.
Okay, according to you, what the detail you should recheck after you have the list?
Alright, the first I will check guest name, and then condition of room, after that length of stay, and then after that payment agreement, and the last special request.
Yes. Okay, please mention what the department in list that should be distributed and what is for that.
Alright, we will distribute it to department concern, like housekeeping, to make sure that the room already for sale, and to food and beverage, to prepare welcome drink and fruit basket, and the last to concierge, to welcoming guests.
Okay, after the guests check in and get into their room, according to you, what the next procedure that you should do?
Alright, there are two methods, by computerized and by manual.
Okay.
By computerized, I will put the guest data into system, and then put the registration card, the white one, into filing cabinet, and the red one I will keep in FO file as a tools of supervisor to check the accuracy data of the guest that already done by reception. And for deposit and cash receipt, I will give it to front office cashier or put into petty cash. And for manual, I will take off the reservation slip from the room rack, and I will change it with room rack slip. After that, I will put the guest data into in-house guest book, and then I will open the bill and put the bill into filing cabinet.
Okay, from where do you know the guest will check out?
The first is from expected departure list. Can also the guest come to front office counter, and the telephone from the guest and from department other.
Okay, what should you do if you get the guest will check out?
I will prepare the bill. I will prepare and print out the bill, and I will spread the bill if they need it.
Okay, what the question you should ask when you receive telephone call from the room, who will check out?
Alright, the first I will ask their name and their room number. After that, I will offering help, and then I will ask if they need spread bill. I ask if they did consume minibar, and I ask if they need bellboy to bring down their luggage.
Okay, what will you prepare when you know the guest will check out?
I will inform to housekeeping department, and I will inform to bellboy if they need a bellboy. After that, I will print out and prepare the bill, and I will take the supporting bill from filing cabinet, and I will attach it I will arrange it according supporting bill and attach it with guest folio.
Okay, can you tell me how the process to arrange the supporting bill? Like minibar bill, restaurant bill, and other to make the process checkout running smoothly?
Alright, I will spread the bill according to supporting bill, such as minibar bill, room service bill, restaurant bill, room charge bill, laundry bill, and other. After that, I will print out guest folio, and I will attach the supporting bill with guest folio according to the date.
Okay, can you mention the steps of checkout procedure?
Alright, the first is greeting, and then offering help. After that, ask the key bag, and then I ask if they consume minibar, and then I will inform to Haka through HT After that, I ask the guests to sign in minibar bill. After that, I will ask if they need spirit bill. And then I will explain room charge bill and ask the guests to sign on room charge bill. After that, I explain other bill and ask the guests about the payment. If they pay by cash, I will stamp the bill, and if they pay by credit card, I will attach the strip with other bill. And after that, I will ask if they need transportation. And after that, I will ask if there anything else. And the last, I will use magic word.
Okay, what is the next steps you should do after the guest checkout?
Okay, there are two methods also, by computerized and by manual. For computerized, I will check out the guest folio from system. After that, I will balancing the bill until it shows 0. After that, I will change the room status from occupied to vacant dirty. Alright, for manual, I will change the room status by put it out room rack slip from the room rack.
Okay, when you are as a front office cashier, tell me the procedure of closing before you back home.
Alright, there are two methods also, by computerized and manual. For computerized, make sure that you should check out the guest folio from system. After that, spirit the bill according to the payment method like cash, credit card, and other. After that, calculate the bill according to the payment, and then print out summary report and make it compare with guest folio. If it's already balanced, it means you have done your job, and if there is still discrepancy, it means you must to check it first, and you must search why can that be happen. For the money, I will keep into remittance form and according to the amount, and then I will make report in logbook and then overhandle with next shift. And for the money, it will be taken by general cashier tomorrow morning. And for manual, it's same with computerized, but the difference is just fill in summary report, not print out summary report.
Okay. According to you, can you handle the guest check-in and check-out?
Yes, I do.
Okay, if I ask you to do role play with me to handling the guest check-in by reservation and walk-in and check-out, can you do it?
Yes, sure, I can do that.
How do you know about the front office department, and have you ever worked in this department before?
I know about front office knowledge just from my school, and I've never worked as a front office before.
Okay, we will accept you, Miss Mutia, to
really?
have on-job training in this hotel in front office department. And from tomorrow, you can start working here.
All right, thank
Congratulations,
you.
Miss Mutia.
Thank you, Mr. Timmy.
And we have done our interview here.
Right.
You may leave there. Thank you, Miss Mutia.
Thank you, Mr. Timmy.
Have a nice day.
Yes.